people, hello, welcome in. It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here today with a nice little surprise from SoftFlex. Okay, so we have a nice little surprise from SoftFlex. According to the paperwork, this is Safari, so we're gonna open her up, take a look at it, and we are gonna move on into maybe doing a little project or something, so we'll see what we get. So I just wanted to share this with you, and all of this stuff will be linked down in the description of this video, all of the links for SoftFlex and things, but I just wanted to let you know that SoftFlex does have mystery design kits, so this is one of their mystery design kits. They do this, I think they do it monthly, or maybe it's a couple of times a month. Anyways, and so they say everything you need to bead, except for tools, is supposed to be in this kit. Everything we need to make something is supposed to be in this kit. And they do it with a theme. So I'm super excited. Let's jump down into, I love this little khaki paper. Let's jump down to the mat, get this party started. Alright guys, here we are on the mat. So before we jump into this, I just wanted to let you know that these Beading Design Challenge kits retail for $33.95. And they include mostly everything that you need to make a project minus tools. And also, if you're unaware, SoftFlex is a small family-run business, and many of us do use their wire, their beading wire and things like that, but they also offer other things on their website, which again I'll have linked down below, and they include things like wire, various findings, tools, some gemstones, and then of course they have bead challenge kits, other beads. If you get something in here that you really like, you can visit their website. So I highly recommend that you swing over there. I know there's quite a few people out there who are unaware that they have these kits, and they are really fun. So let's jump into it and we will see what we got for this month. If we can't come up with something smashing. Okay, so they have provided us a list. Let me get the list out. This is part of the list. Alrighty, well, look at that. Let's just jump right into it and we'll worry about the list later. Oh my goodness, these animals. We gotta look at these. You know I love me some little animals. You know I love that. We don't even care about the list at that point. Okay, we got the Safari mix from Jesse James. We're gonna take a better look at that later. I gotta see these animals. Oh my goodness, look how cute they are. What do we got here? Oh, those are the crimp tubes. Okay. I want to see the animals. You guys, what? Look at these little elephants. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And this zebra is so cute. Oh, this little teeny tiny giraffes. Oh my gosh. Did you see these little teeny tiny giraffes? They're so small. Look at them. Oh, so cute. Some findings in there. These look like tear cast. Got a few earring wires. A lobster. Okay, well that is fun. This guy is drilled. Super cute. Alright, alright, alright. What do we got here? So here are our strands. Here's our strands. So these are looking quite snazzy. Quite snazzy. Okay, we'll take a better look at those. What's this guy? Medium. Oh, it's like bone color. Oh, it says bone color. I love that. That's fun. Okay, so this is kind of what SoftFlex, in my opinion, is known for. This is their wire. This is SoftFlex Beading Wire Medium. It's all-purpose for glass and other materials, metal, stuff like that. So the diameter on this is 0.019 inches or 0.48 millimeter, but it's a very flexible wire. So I really enjoy that a lot. Let's get into the list here and we'll go from there. So here is the kit. Comes with your kit, tells you what's in there. SoftFlex bone color wire, we just talked about that. SoftFlex 2x2 millimeter gold crimps. Okay, so they say when you're doing the medium wire, it's best to use a 2. I call it a size 2, but it's like a 2x2 millimeter crimp tube. Okay, so they've provided those. And they say these are gold crimps. We have gold ear wires. Okay. 12 millimeter lobster claw. We took a little look-see at that. So I'm way out of whack here. So here's your ear wires, here's your lobster claw. 7 millimeter orange with AB finish faceted rounds. I'm debating because these are fire polish, so I don't think it's those. 7 millimeter orange with AB finish faceted rounds. I don't know if that's what they're calling these guys here. To be determined, I guess. The Jesse James custom mix, well, we're going to look at that. Excuse me. Tira cast oxidized brass woven fans. So that's these guys here. Very cute. I do really like these a lot, and they're pretty heavy. Okay, come on camera. There we go. You got 2 of them. So those are really nice. Like those a lot. And teeny tiny, they called it teeny tiny giraffes. Oh, that's great. Teeny tiny giraffes. Excuse me. Check glass white. That's these guys. The 2-hole pyramid beads. These guys. So these guys are going to be interesting. 2-hole beads are always interesting for any kind of designs, even if you're not doing like a weaving type of design. But these are very nice. So like those, we're going to do something with those. Then we've got check glass dark lucky elephant. It says travertine. I don't know what that is, but we have our elephants. We looked at those. This camera is being something else today. They're so cute. They're double-sided. Okay, we got those. Then we have the 3 millimeter metallic green fire polish, which is these. I really do like how they've got this orange and this green going together. This is a very nice matte green. There we go. It's very pretty. It's giving me like kind of safari vibes, I guess. Is yes. Check glass 20 by 9 millimeter black ship beads. That's these. Let's take a look at these. Oh, it's kind of got a little something on it or something. But we got these guys. These are cute. Check glass butterscotch opal tubular beads. So these guys. Butterscotch opal. Check glass butterscotch opal. So, and then we also have the 3 millimeter metallic green fire polish. So that must have been this. These must be the butterscotch opal beads, and then these guys must be the 7 millimeter orange with AB finish faceted rounds. So yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm on it. I got everything. Okay. So that is these guys. Everything you see here. Did I mention the zebra? Did I miss that part? I don't know if I mentioned the zebra. Anyway, teeny tiny guys here. Got our fans. I lost one. There it is. Alright. And that's what we have for this side. Now we also have, they do a collaboration with Jesse James for their theme. So I'm actually just going to cover this up with my other mat. Okay. And we're going to take a look at this. So they do always do a special mix, so you can only get this mix, I believe, at SoftFlex, on the SoftFlex website, because it's for this specific theme through Jesse James in collaboration. So this one is obviously named Safari. And let's see what we get here with Safari. Okay. So we have what looks to be a mother of pearl resin bead with mother of pearl. It's flat on one side. That's very pretty. That'll make for a cute focal. It's flat on the other side. It's nice. Looks like we have some, these are imitation Navajo pearls in red bronze. Got some bead covers. Those are always cool. We've got some red tassels. I'm just sorting here. Got some mahogany jasper. Looks like. Little mahogany jasper there. There might be a couple more here. Yeah. So there's your mahogany jasper. Oh. Not everything's sitting completely flat on here because I got stuff underneath it. But let's see, what's this? These look like some acrylic brown spacer beads. Like a red brown, almost like a clay color. And we have these crystals here. They look to be electroplated crystals. Very pretty. Some larger amber colored bicones here. I believe these are glass. Some larger amber colored bicones. We've got some dyed red howlite. Okay, dyed red howlite. Got some ceramic tubular beads here. Those are very nice. And looks like we've got some druzy, electroplated druzy beads here. Or they're supposed to be druzy. They're probably just electroplated like hematite. In gold. Which are cute. Then we have a few red cathedral beads, cathedral glass beads. Cute. I like how they're throwing this pop of red in there. That's kind of interesting. And I got some little cubes. Well, crystal cubes flying around. Crystal cubes. We got two more crystal cubes just in a different color. Those are cute. Okay. They just want to run away from me. Got a few, looks like a few Chinese crystals, and then here's also, so these are just regular Chinese crystals, like a rondelle type. And then there's these two, which are a different shape. Let's see. It's kind of like a pillow type shape. That's interesting. I had not seen those before. I got two of those. Those are very pretty. Then we have a few just gold metal spacer beads, and looks like some more, these are bronzish flower spacers. So there's our metal. Looking pretty neat. Okay. So that's what's in the Jesse James pack. I'm just going to put it in here so that when we can put it all together and see what it looks like on the one mat. So that is the Safari pack. Okay, so let me move this. so we can get the full effects. All right, and then we have the tube. So there we are. There we are. So this is Safari from SoftFlex. And I'm just double checking that I didn't miss the part about the zebra. I don't see it listed on here. So okay. They also have a contest, I believe, where you can show your makes. Is it a contest? Yeah, enter to win a free kit. Winner is chosen at random. Post pictures of your designs made with this kit in our SoftFlex VIP Studio Facebook group with hashtag Safari and enter to win a future kit. Winner is chosen at random. They also send you a coupon if you get the kit. All right. So here we are with all of our things. Well, I love it. I love these little giraffes. They're super cute. This one is a little bit different than the other, but that's fine. I love all the little animals. Those are cute. Alright guys, so this is Safari from SoftFlex. I'm going to put this down here. Here's their website right here if you need to give them a look-see. And I think that I am going to try to make something with this. So probably in the next video. But here it is. I hope you guys are having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.